Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add and update data in your Power BI reports, a skill that's absolutely essential if you want your dashboards to stay dynamic, accurate, and insightful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring in new data sources, keep your data up to date, and make sure your reports reflect the latest information. Whether you're managing a weekly sales dashboard or tracking expenses over time, these steps will help you keep everything running smoothly. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's talk about bringing in new data sources. Maybe you've built a report using last quarter's sales, and now you want to include a brand new table, like your recent expenses or inventory details. Start by opening up your Power BI desktop file. At the top, you'll find the Home tab. This is your command center. Click on Get Data, and you'll see a range of sources pop up, everything from Excel files and CSVs to databases like SQL to online sources like SharePoint. This flexibility is part of why Power BI is so powerful. Once you've picked your source, select the table or tables you need and load them in. Now, here's an important step. If the new data you're bringing in needs to be linked with your existing tables, for example, joining sales details to these newly added expenses by date, head into Model View. Here you can create relationships, which is basically telling Power BI how these tables are connected, like drawing lines between dots on a map. And once those connections are made, you can use those new fields in your visuals or even build new DAX measures, unlocking deeper insights. Now, maybe you're not adding a whole new data source, but simply updating existing tables. Think of this like adding new chapters to a book you're already reading. If your dataset lives in an Excel or CSV file, all you need to do is add those new rows, say new months of sales, right in your source file, save it, and then back in Power BI, click the refresh button. Power BI will fetch those new entries automatically. If your data is sitting in a database like SQL Server or Oracle, it's even easier. Any new records added to the database are picked up by Power BI on refresh. And if you're using Direct Query, those changes are reflected instantly, no refresh necessary. That's like having a live news feed inside your dashboard. A quick tip: if you're combining several files, say from different departments, use Power Query's Append Queries feature. It's built exactly for situations like this. Speaking of Power Query, it's the place to go when you need to fix, transform, or enrich your data after bringing it into Power BI. Maybe you want to rename columns for clarity, change data types so numbers are formatted the right way, merge tables together, or add calculated columns, like creating a quick profit column by subtracting cost from sales. It's all done within Power Query. Just go to Home, then Transform Data, make your changes, then hit Close and Apply. Your visuals will update to reflect any improvements you've made. Don't worry if Power Query looks a bit intimidating at first. It's like the workshop where your raw data becomes report-ready. Once your new data is loaded, everything else in your report, the charts, cards, measures, will refresh automatically. This is one of the joys of Power BI. If you're publishing your report to the Power BI service online, you can schedule a refresh, say every morning at 8 a.m., so your viewers always see the latest numbers. This is especially handy if your data sources are updated frequently. And that brings us to the Power BI service itself. If your report is already published, updating it is just as straightforward. Log into app powerbi.com, go to your workspace, find your dataset, and click Refresh Now. Want to automate it? Set up a scheduled refresh under Settings. If you've made significant changes, such as adding new sources, just republish your PBIX file from desktop and those changes will carry over. That's it, you're now equipped to keep your Power BI reports fresh, accurate, and always delivering value. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or challenges you're running into, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.